Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So in my Shopify store you can see that I have multiple products but only single color is displaying and all the other colors are not displaying. So basically if you have color variant then that's fine. If you have any other name of the variant, for example you have fabric or something else, so you can also separate them on the collection pages. This video is specific for refresh theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already created a lot of other videos. I will be adding a link below in the description so you can follow that playlist, and if you still don't find the relevant video, then you can message me. I will create a new video or maybe help you out in your theme. So the first thing is that here you can see on my screen that I have multiple products, but right here you can see that, for example, I am clicking on this product and you can see on product page we have multiple colors but only single color is displaying on our collection page. So what we are going to do here is we are going to display all those color variants on this collection page. So you should go back to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed a refresh theme. This version is the latest version 15.3.0. If you have any other version, then still this feature will work in your theme. So you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme first, and then after you should again click on this and then click on edit code. So once you are clicking on edit code, then you will be having some folders and files. I have already written a documentation that how we are going to implement this feature. So you will be getting the link below in the description. So once you are downloading that, you will be getting all these files. These are three files. So firstly, you should open document.txt, and inside of it, you will find that we have some steps. So the first step is create new snippet color dash variant. So you should copy the name from here and go back to this screen and click on snippets, click on add a new snippet and paste that name here, which is color dash variant, and then click on done. Again go back to the documentation. So the second step is create another new snippet, which is color dash card dash product. So you should copy this and go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here and then click on done. So we have created two empty files. The third step is go to sections, open man-collection-product-grid.liquid. So let me copy this, and you can search inside of this search box, and under sections you can see we have man-collection-product-grid. So inside of this file you are going to find card-product. So let me copy it, and using Control F or maybe Command F you can find out like this, and this is automatically highlighted. Now we are going to replace this card-product with color-variant. So copy it, and then I'm going to delete it first and then replace it with color-variant. And now we have the final step, which is remove li tag around the card product render component. So that means this is actually a render component and it is surrounded with li tag. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm also going to delete this closing tag, and then click on save. And that's it. Now you can close this file, and here I have to paste the attached code. So you can see here we have color-variant.txt. So you should copy this code and then paste it inside of color-variant.liquid and then click on save. Again you should go back here, open color-card-product.txt, copy it and then go back here and paste it inside of color-card-product.liquid. So let me paste it, then click on save and close this file also. So that's it. Now you can see that we have this page. Let me refresh it. Here we go. Now you can see that we have all the color variants displaying on this collection page. So that's what we were expecting. So we had multiple products, but only one color was displaying on this page, but all the other colors were not there. So I have implemented this feature. So same way you should follow the steps. If you are facing any issues or something, you can directly message me. I will help you out in solving the issues. If you have any new section to create, or maybe you have a new Shopify store and you want to improve it, you want some new features, or you have a brand new store to create, so I am happy to help you out in doing all this stuff. So I have added the contact details below in the description, so you can directly message me on WhatsApp or sending me email, or any way you can connect me, and I will be supporting you and improving your store, of course. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel, also like this video, and you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. You can also join a WhatsApp group I have created, and you can also join the YouTube perks, and I will definitely help you out in giving you free consultation related to your Shopify store, that how you can improve, how you can do the stuff. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.